So how we often describe data is by their distribution. And oftentimes you can tell what a data set's distribution is by putting it in a dot plot as shown below. So this first one is a bell-shaped distribution. So it starts off low with not a lot over here, and then slowly you get more and more dots in the center, and then it goes back down low again. So all your dots right here are all centered and clustered in the center right here. So it kind of goes down, up, down, and that's why it's called a bell-shaped distribution, because it's shaped like a bell. Our next way of describing data is bimodal data, bimodal distribution. So the word bi means two, so there's two different mini distributions in this. So it kind of goes down, up, down, and then over here it starts low, goes up, and goes down. So there's kind of like two little bell-shaped data plots here. Now if we go to skewed distribution, skewed means that there's not a lot on one side and there's a lot on the other. So you can kind of see how this starts off really, really low, and then it just gets all of our data clustered in one section pretty much right here. There's not much clustered over here at all. So that's why it is skewed. Our next type of data is symmetric distribution. Sorry, say that 5 times fast. All right, so if we look here and we look for our median is our middle number, which is about right here. If we drew a line at the median, both sides of this data would have the exact same number of dots in a dot plot. So the 4 has the same number of dots as the 6. The 3 has the same number of dots as the 7. The 8 has the same number of dots as the 2, the 1 and the 9, and the 0 and the 10. So that's why it is symmetric. It's symmetrical on both sides, our data. And then the last one is our uniform distribution. And as you can see, they all have 4 dots across the board, just creating a straight line across. Let me attempt to draw a straight line across. There we go. So you can see the data doesn't change. No matter what number you go to, you have 4 dots. So that is why it is uniform. It's all the same.